Watching my YouTube channel TikTok with Ishbaq. Guys, in today's video I will discuss about Facebook Reels monetization and how we can earn money from Facebook Reels and what are the criteria for Facebook Reels bonus program. So all these things we will discuss in this video, but before watching this video, if you haven't subscribed my this channel, please subscribe it. Okay, so let's start the video. As you know that Facebook has started the reels. Just reels are the small short few second clips which you can post from your Facebook ID or your Facebook page. Okay, so what is the criteria for Facebook reels, how to earn money from Facebook reels, and how to monetize Facebook reels? First of all, you must know that for this Facebook bonus program, you must live in the United States. It means your ID, your account must be from United States. You must be 18 years old and you must follow the community standard of Facebook. And also, you must pass and remain compliant with Facebook partner monetization policies. It means your account or your page must complete 10,000 followers and 10,000 watch hours in the last 60 days. Okay, after that you can apply from that account, but your account must be older than 30 days. Okay, and also there must be at least 5 active reels in the last 30 days. So these are some requirements by which you can join the Facebook Reels bonus program. So how it works, as you can see in this video, there is a small ad from in this reel video. As you can see the ad, this is actually now monetized. So this guy is earning from these reels. Okay, so this ad will be start automatically on your reels if you are eligible and you have completed all these things. And maximum Facebook is giving $35,000 per month to the content creator from Facebook reels. Okay, they can earn a lot of money, thousands of dollars per month. So minimum views for Facebook reels is 1000, okay, in per month. If your Facebook reels get minimum 1000 views, so Facebook will give you money on that views. So these are some information. You can earn money or make money online from Facebook reels and you can enjoy it. But first thing is that it is only for USA, and maybe in the next near future Facebook is expanding its this policy to other countries. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.